Alright, so hi everyone. So I'm going to show you how to create automation in Zapier. So first is you have to type zapier.com, and then you can click sign up if you don't have account already, or you can click start free with email or start free with Google. So now I'm going to click start free with email. So we'll create our work email and then put your first name and your last name. Click get started for free. Okay, work email. Alright, so we have already email. So now we're going to use our continue with Google, and then you click your account. So I'm going to click my account and then click continue. So here is what you would like to automate. So start from scratch. So you have to click Zap automated workflows, and then click the trigger. So I'm going to use my Google Drive for my trigger, and then trigger event, choose an event. Okay, new file, and then sign in to your account, your Google account. If you allow, so click continue. Okay, so and then select my Google Drive, or you can check load more. Okay, Google Drive, continue. And by the way, if you first thing to do is you have to check your email, your Gmail account for to verify. I'm going to check my email. Okay. So now, okay. So log into my Zapier. New. Right, click continue. So we're back here in the Zapier account. So click Zap. So we'll create again. So click trigger, and then I'll choose Google Drive. And then trigger event. So I'll put it in new file in folder. So my Google Drive is already connect. So now click continue. Okay, click Google Drive. Okay. Share with me, take out e-commerce. So I have here a real estate VA. Okay. And then, okay, click continue. Test trigger. Next is we're going to okay. Okay. We'll find your records or your okay, this one, I'll choose this. Okay. So I could continue records. And then I will use my Gmail for my trigger. And then action event. Okay. So add label to my email. Okay, amount into okay. Then you have to click continue. Label. So my inbox. And then you create a message. You choose message. So I choose Zapier was connected to your Google account, for example, okay. And then click continue. In test step, then publish. Alright, the publish is on a missing version. So go to home and then okay, go to Zaps. So there we go. So just remove this one. Okay, wait. Okay. So you can see here, we already the Zapier will automatically send a message to the email that I connect, which is my Gmail. So thank you. That's it for now.